I was born and raised in Memphis, Tennessee, and at 19 years old, I went to prison. And I spent the next 7 years incarcerated. Right now, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 6 children in all, but I only have 3 small ones at home with me. When I came home from prison, and I kept registering to vote, kept trying to get my rights restored, and I was getting turned down left and right because they would say, well, the class felony you have, you won't ever be able to vote. When I found this new program, I had not been able to vote for so long, so I just didn't care anymore. But it's been a very redemptive experience. I feel real good about it. This will be my first time ever going to a booth to vote, and I'm 43 years old.